Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls. And today, what I'm going to be bringing you is a harvest box for my dining room table for Thanksgiving. Now, this is something that I have wanted for years, but they're very pricey. And I have just thought about it and thought about it, seen them. And then one day I said, you know what? I can make this myself. I found out that Home Depot cuts the wood for you for free. And I thought, all I need to do is go in there with some measurements. So I laid it all out, the size I wanted on my dining room table, and went into Home Depot and gave them the measurements, picked out the wood. I picked out poplar and came home, nailed it together, and painted it. And so you're going to see me go through that process, the tutorial. It's so simple. I mean, I'm putting together a tutorial, but honestly, y'all, you can do it. It's so simple. If I can do it, anybody can do it. A woodworker, I am not. But I love to be crafty. I love to use my hands. And I just feel like this was something simple enough that I could do. And oh gosh, it came out so cute. I'm so happy with it. And the coolest thing is it cost me $12.85. So, I mean, these are 80, well, I mean, you can even find them for probably 60, but up to $120 I've seen them. And in, you know, like in the boutique country store kind of places. So for $12.85, my goodness gracious, and a little bit of effort, I've got a beautiful harvest box, and you just can't beat it. You just can't beat it. I love when I can save money and still have things that are really, really nice. And I'm going to show it to you at the end of this video, and then I'll put it on my dining room table and use it every season. I can fill it, you know, for fall, for Thanksgiving. I mean, really, for any season. It's just going to be so much fun. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, give me a thumbs up because that just helps my channel grow. And I'm having so much fun doing this and sharing all my, crafts and DIYs with you.
So first what I did is sand all the wood down, get it nice and smooth. And then I just banged in some nails. Pretty simple. I did 3 nails on each section. And then I actually used some corner braces as well. I wanted to make sure it was sturdy. So I just put 4 corner braces in. You can pick those up at Home Depot or any hardware store. And then I gave it a good dusting off and I began getting ready to stain. Now I used a cherry stain because my dining room set is cherry, and I'm going to go over it and shabby it with a black paint anyway, and then sand it down so you can see a little bit of that cherry come through. So I just went ahead and rubbed it on with a cloth. I only did 1 coat, I just wanted it light. And I did let it dry overnight. I wasn't real particular about how it came out either because I was going to put black paint over it. And here I am just applying the black paint. And I only did 1 coat of that. I wanted it to be thin so when I sanded it, the cherry stain would show through. Make sure you follow the grain. didn't even put this on thick. I wanted it to be a thin coat. I didn't even cover all the areas either. Just less sanding later. And I also let this dry overnight before I sanded it. Kind of shabbied it up. I did the inside of the box as well. I just wanted to kind of complete the whole thing, make it look professionally done, even though it's not professional. Very immature, if I must say. But y'all, this was so easy to do. And you know, you can stain it, you can paint it, you can farmhouse style it, you know, whatever you want to go with your decor. That's what I just loved about the whole thing. Can't beat the price, just a little bit of effort. Now here it is, all done. You can see I shabbied it up, and there it is on my dining room table, pretty as a picture. So I hope you'll consider trying that. Hey, I'm wishing you and your family abundant blessings in this month. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you that subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you'll consider. And if you hit the notification bell every time I upload a video, you'll know. Have a wonderful day. God bless.